A beautiful wave right here. That's right, sine wave. So we call this one sinusoid. So functional equation looks like this. Y equals, which is fx, gx, whatever. Then, hey, very simple, sine x. That's it. Y equals sine x. Okay, wait a minute. Also, we have to realize that, okay, if we don't say, hey, let's say like 1,000 means 1,000, right? Okay, sine, that means 1 sine. Okay, so 1 right there. What about x? Oh, just the x, that means 1x. Oh, that's it. Okay, so now, also you notice that, okay, this one is pi, which is pi radian. Okay, instead of that one, so we can use, that's right, degree, 180 degrees. That's it. Okay, this one, 360 degrees. Oh, so, lot easier. But radian is more reasonable, so we're going to use that one. So now, okay, how about this one? On the left-hand side, oh, that's 1, right? So 1 right there, which is right there. Oh, that means this one tells you how high, how low this one goes. Okay, so we call amplitude. So usually we use maybe letter A. Okay, so amplitude right there. So amplitude A right here. So formula-wise, just like this one, highest point, which is 1, minus the lowest point is -1. So 1 minus minus 1, which is 2, divided by 2. See? Okay, then this is going to be 2 divided by 2, which is 1. So formula-wise, okay, so maximum value, I'm going to use capital letter, minus minimum value, which is a lowercase m, then divided by 2. See, very simple. That's what this one is, amplitude. Also, amplitude is absolute value, so just like this one, so positive answer. So, another word, amplitude means total height like this, divided by 2. So, the half of the height. Now, let's talk about this portion right here. So, front over x, okay, let's call this one B, okay? So, B is the period. Okay, talking about period B, okay. So, hey, maybe use this unit like lambda, okay, which is we call wavelength, okay. So wavelength means like this one cycle from 0 right here all the way to this. So we call one cycle, right? Oh, big cycle, we can see it right here. But what if we have 2 here? Okay, that means, oh, this formula, let me tell you this formula first, okay. 2 pi over that number right there, B. Oh, that's it, okay. So which is, that's what wavelength, okay. So which is lambda, we call this one lambda. Okay, equals, in this case 1, that means, 2 pi over 1, that means 2 pi. That's why every 2 pi, okay, so we put 1 full cycle, okay? What about the value B is 2? Oh, let's use 2. Then, oh, this is going to be 2. Then lambda, which is a wavelength, going to be, that's right. So we just reduce this one, which is a pi. Oh, every pi, so we're going to put 1 full cycle. Okay, the same height, okay, so same amplitude, but inside of this one, so we just put this one, so it's 1 full cycle within 1 pi. Okay, that's it, pi radian. What about this one? B value, let's use 6. How about that? That means, 2 pi over 6, which is 1/3, right? Okay, that means pi over 3. Which is pi over 3 is, divided by 3 right there. So that's pi over 3, right? Okay, so that means, wait a minute, we're going to put 1 full cycle inside of this. Look at this, very, very short wavelength right here. That means, wait a minute, you know what? This period, 6 means, okay, 6 cycles in 2 pi. That's it. See, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. See, 6 cycles in 2 pi because of this one is sine. Now, clearly we can see, originally y equals sine x, but front of sine, which is 1, that means amplitude, right? Which is a value. Oh, what about this one? Oh, b value, which is we're talking about the period, right? So b means, okay, how many numbers of cycles in 2 pi, which is for sine. Sine and cosine, the same thing. Okay, 2 pi. Okay, now, we're going to change this domain value, which is x. Okay, x value means left, right, right? Okay, I'm going to change this x value, which is like this one. Oh, what about minus c? But remember, just x, okay, not this one, okay, not period. Okay, do not touch this one. Okay, we're talking about just the x value. Minus c, that means we're going to shift this one to my right-hand side, right? Okay, wait a minute. Minus c. Minus means the opposite, right? That means a plus. We're going to move this one to right-hand side by c. Oh, that's it. Okay, what about this one? So plus c. Then that's right. Okay, we're going to move this one to the left-hand side. That's it. Okay, what about y value? Oh, so we can move this one. So minus, how about, let me use d. How about that? Minus d means we're going to move this one up because minus, which is opposite, right? Okay, what if this one is a plus? See, then move down. See? Oh, that's it. Hey, that's the easy part. So y equals, I'm going to move minus d to my right-hand side. It's going to be plus d, right? Oh, beautiful. Look at these beautiful samples right here. Oh, on the top, y equals, that's right, a sine b, then parenthesis inside of that one, so x minus c, then outside plus d. So, which is amplitude, period, okay, and this one is phase shift, okay, so how much shift left, right, that's c. Okay, how about d? That's how much up and down, so transformation, okay. So now, as soon as we see these 3 samples right here, so from 0 to all the way to 2 pi, okay, then start from 0 origin, that means sine graph, right? Okay, period, 2 pi, that means, wait a minute, where that this one come from? So then this one must be just the x, right? So which is the 1x, that's it. Okay, so I can put just the x because, okay, that means 1x means, okay, the formula wise, so 2 pi over that number, which is 1. That's why we have 2 pi, period, right there. See, that's period. That's why 1. Now, next one, so amplitude. Oh, that's right, how high, low, so different. The first one, I notice right there, 1. Oh, this one, all the way up to 1. Okay, that means actually the highest point is 1, the lowest one is negative 1. That's why 1 minus minus 1, which is 2 divided by 2, which is 1. That's why I don't have to write 1. Anyway, this is going to be 1. Okay, so what about the top one? Oh, 1.5 minus 1.5. Okay, that means totally 3, right? 3 divided by 2, which is 1.5. You can write 1.5 or 3 over 2. See? So what about the bottom one? Oh, so height is only quarter. Then what about this one? Only quarter down, quarter up. So total, so half, right? Half divided by 2, again, quarter. So we can put this one quarter, maybe 0.25, things like that. Also, I didn't move at all. So see, 0, 0. That means, hey, we have no shifting business right here. Okay, what about this green one? Oh, that y equals, that's right. Oh, up and down. Oh, that's right. Amplitude is still 1. So that means just start with sine. See, both exactly same. See, y equals, then sine, right? Only thing changed what? Period. That's right. Okay, look at this green one. Green one is within 2 pi, we have only 1 cycle. That's why, hey, just 1x, that's it. Okay, what about this brown one? Oh, that's right. Within 2 pi, we have one cycle up to that point, and another cycle. Oh, that's why 2. So, hey, very simple, 2x. But, hey, still, we can use this one. Okay, period, which is lambda. Okay, so which is, okay, 2 pi over that number, which is 2, then pi. That's why within pi, we have one full cycle up to that point. That's it. Check this one out. How about that? Oh, 1 minus 1. That means, oh, amplitude is 1, right? So only thing I did is, that's right. So I transfer this one, actually shifted, okay? So phase shift. That's it. How much? Pi over 6. That's it. So y equals, this one is this one, right? Okay, y equals sine, then, okay, this much, then x minus. If I move the right hand side, that's minus, right? So left hand side, that's a positive. Okay, so pi over 6. That's it. Oh, look at this. Oh, the original one right there in the middle, that's what sine x, right? Then 1, I moved up. This. What about this one? I moved down. Oh, talking about D business right here, right? Okay, so moved up and down. Now, the bottom one first. How about that? Moved down. That means y equals, then sine x totally. Then moved down. That means, hey, minus how much? Moved down half. That's it. What about this one? Oh, moved up how much? That's right, quarter. Oh, it's only quarter, right? That's 1.25. That's it. Okay, so y equals, then sine x, same thing, then plus, then quarter. That's it. Let's try one sample right here. Oh, that's right. So, oh, that blue one, that's sine x, right? Okay, so from original. Okay, now, what about the brown one right here? Oh, new one. First of all, we're going to find out the amplitude, right? Amplitude means the highest point minus lowest point, which is 1.25 minus 1.75 is what? 3, right? Divided by 2, so 1.5. That's right. 1.5 means 3 over 2. Oh, that's A. That means we got to find out the middle point, right? 1.25 minus 1.5, okay, which is middle is right here now, right? Okay, so you can see. So that means from here, okay, maybe same point, okay, so one cycle. Oh, that's it. So right there. Okay, from here to that, oh, that's it. See? What is the period then? That's right, only pi, right? See? Okay, that means pi, that means this one must be 2. Because you remember, the period means like a 2 pi over 2 over that number right there, b. So now b is 2. That's why pi. Okay, the next one. Also, whole picture. See, moved down quarter. That's it, 0.25. You can say like a down means minus right here. Okay, 0.25 or 1 quarter. That's it. So D value. D is negative quarter. Okay, how about any phase shift? That's right, shifted to left hand side. Okay, how much? Let's look at this one. Let's check this point out right here. See? Oh, so I'm going to make it bigger right here. Then down, then left, right? Oh, that's left is shift, right? So phase shift. How much? That's it. You can make a picture. Actually, you can use any place right here, see? So you move this much, or you move this much, see? So look at this one. So right here is a half pi. Now, about 3 different places, 3 different pieces right there. That means divided by 3, which is about pi over 6. That's right. This is going to be about pi over 6 value. So left-hand side, that means plus pi over 6. That's it. This is what we call sinusoid. That's right. Sine like wave graph.